Okay, this is where. Oh wait, shut up, Nadine Lustre. Okay, that was a joke. I like listening. I like listening to her. I like her music. Keep up the good work, girl. You don't need no man. Don't fall. Don't fall. Please don't fall. Hey. Okay, don't fall, please. Hey. Okay. Hello everyone, this is Jill. Hi. This is really just a video to test out my new mic. Here it is. Thanks, One Gadgets for sending it to me despite the quarantine. So here it is. I'm actually supposed to put it on top of my camera on the cold shoe, but if I put it there, I wouldn't be able to flip out the screen. So I'm just testing it out to see the audio quality and stuff. So here it is. It's so fluffy. It's kind of cute. I named it Boya because its name is Boya. I'm sorry to all my friends that are called Boya. They're named Boya rather. So meet Boya. I'm gonna make breakfast at 5 p.m. Sorry, I threw my mic out. I'm gonna make breakfast at 5 p.m. and I wanna see if this captures the ASMR of cooking bacon and eggs and rice. So yeah, please don't criticize me. Please don't hate on me. This is just an honest video of me testing Boya. I look ugly, I know, but this is me. Yeah, my glasses are broken. My stupid ass sat on it because of the quarantine. I can't get it fixed, and also, oh my gosh, my lashes. I have to get them fixed. These are the problems I'm currently experiencing. I'm joking, I have like bigger problems like bills and shit. Like I have no money. And I still put it like this. Yeah, this is hard. This is gonna fail. This is gonna fail. Oh my god, I almost flipped the camera over. Focus! Focus! Yes. Focus back on the end. Yes! Yes! Well done, please. Oops. Okay. Just stand. I wanna get a new camera. if it sticks. Don't fall. Don't fall. Please don't fall. Yes. Beginning. The struggle is so real. I actually ordered from Juan Gadgets the what do you call this? P5 or P7? It's some kind of extension you put on your camera so that the mic goes on the side. It's supposed to be really on top, like there's a hot shoe on top, but since my screen flips out, I can't place it on top, so it's here. Anyway, the mic seems good. I like how cheap it was, and it works great. Although I have to test it outside in windy conditions and to see if this fluff really works. Although I do still have to fix the audio in Audacity to filter out the noise and stuff. But compared to my last one, it seems to be working way better. I'm still hungry, so I'm eating skyflakes with dipped in cheesy. Hello. And I'm just gonna test out if you could hear the crunches when I eat it. Here's a skyflake dipped in cheesy. This side is better. Are you getting this, Bea? I hope you are. I love skyflakes and cheese. Oh, you doesn't give a f about Bea. Okay, so this is the built-in mic of the camera. Yeah, I just want to see how different it is. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Hello. This is my voice. An arm's length away and using the Boya mic. Hi. Yeah, bye.
How do you make holy water? You boil the hell out of it. You guys get it? You guys get it? Is it good? Holy water, you boil the hell out of it? I would laugh. I actually laughed at it. Okay, I couldn't stop my laugh because I actually think it's funny. Badum tus.